Welcome to Science with Rumaisa. I'm so happy to see you here today. In this video, we will start learning about science, what it is, why it's important, and how it helps us in everyday life. Science is not just a subject, it's all around us, in the sky, in our home, even in our body. So let's begin our fun journey into the world of science. First of all, we discuss about what is science. Science means learning about the world. Science helps us learn how things look around us, like why the sky is blue, how plants grow, or how fans work. It is based on asking questions and finding answers. Scientists always ask questions like why does it rain? How does a bird fly? Then they find answers by doing experiments and observe things. Science helps us understand nature, machines, and our own body. With science, we learn about trees, animals, rivers, like nature, how cars and lights work, machines, and even how our heart, brain, and other organs work in our body. Have you wondered how your body grows or how a rainbow appears? That's all part of science. Next question is that why is science important? Science helps us to solve different problems. Science gives us answers. For example, when we seek, science helps doctors find the right medicines. When we want light at night, science gives us electricity. How makes life easier? Fans, fridges, mobile phones, cars, all are made using science. These things help us in daily life and save time. Science helps us stay healthy. Science gives us vaccines. In hospitals, x-rays and medicines are used. This teaches us about hygiene, food, and exercise to keep our body strong. How science makes us curious and smart. Science makes us curious and smart with the help of asking and questions and finding answers. It helps us think, learn new things, and become smarter every day. You can say, science is like a friend that helps us live better, think better, and grow better. Next slide is about branches of science. Branches of science are biology, physics, chemistry, and earth sciences. There are many other branches, but we will discuss about these branches of science. What is biology? Biology is the study of living things. The word biology is derived from bios and logos. Bios mean life and logos mean understand, thinking. Biology helps us learn about animals, plants, and humans, how they live, grow, and survive. For example, how birds fly, how plants make food, how our hearts work. What is physics? Physics is the study of energy, light, sound, and machines. Physics explains how things move, and work. It teaches us about force, motion, electricity, and sound. For example, how a fan spins, how sound travels, how a ball rolls. What is chemistry? Chemistry is the study of substances and reactions. Chemistry is about what things are made of and how they change. It shows us how understand to different materials mix and react. For example, how soap cleans, how baking soda reacts with vinegar. What is earth science? Earth science teaches us about the ground we live on, the sky above, and the weather around us. For example, how rain forms, how earthquakes happen, what rocks are made of. All these branches help us understand different parts of the world, living things, energy, materials, and earth itself. Where we do use science? We use science in schools. How we use science in schools? We use science to learn, do experiments, use smart boards and computers. Science helps understand the world through education. How do we use science in hospitals or at homes? At home, all these things like fans, fridge and lights work because of science. Fans keep us cool, fridges keep fresh food, and lights help us to see in the dark. All using electricity, which science explains. In hospitals, doctors use science for x-rays, medicines, thermometers, and machines to check out health. Science helps us stay healthy and treat different diseases. In transport, how we use science? Science helps in making wheels like cars, bikes, trains, and airplanes. These help us travel faster and safely. How we do use science in mobile phones? In mobile phones, we use science. We talk, learn, and play using phones and computers, all made using science and technology. Next slide is about scientists and their work. Scientists ask questions and test their ideas with the help of experiments and different tools. Let's we study about different tools that are used in science or science labs to find the answers of different questions. Magnifying glass, ruler, thermometer, beakers, and other tools that are used. Let's we study it. Microscope used to see very small things like germs or cells. Flask with a narrow neck used to mix and heat liquids safely. Small glass tubes used to hold, mix or heat small amounts of liquids. Magnifying glass used to make small objects look bigger. Beaker. A white container used to hold or heat liquids safely. Round bottom flask. Round bottom flask is used for heating or mixing chemicals evenly. What is thermometer? Thermometer is used to measure temperature. How we use watch glass? Watch glass is a small flat glass dish used to hold tiny amounts of substances or cover beakers. Pipette. Pipette used to drop or measure small amounts of liquid. What can we learn in science? We have learned this topic in branches of science like biology, physics, chemistry. In biology, we study about living things. In chemistry, we study about chemicals. In physics, we use energy and light, etc. In geology, we study about earth anatomy. We study internal organs of organisms, different organisms. In ecology, we studied about our environment. In robotics, this is the AI concept. There are following fun facts about science or nature, because science is the study of nature. Some natural things are found here and some man-made things are here. Fun facts are that honey never spoils. If you keep it thousands years, honey never spoils. The second fun fact is that plants make their own food, but plants cannot eat food. They make food for animals. The third fun fact is that human brain works faster than a computer. This is a natural thing.